What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to schedule Instagram posts right in the Instagram app. So this is a new feature that Instagram is rolling out to people, and you may not have it, but you will have it soon. So here I have a photo of a BMW, and I want to go ahead and post it, but I want to schedule it. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and press advanced setting all the way on the bottom of the page. And then right at the top, you can see schedule this post. Go ahead and click that on. And then as you could see, you could scroll from as long from now as you like till the recent days. Let's say I want to do April 1st at 9 a.m. Let's say we could go ahead and do that, and we could press set time. And just like that, you can see schedule this post Saturday, April 1st at 9 a.m. PT. So if you want to change it, you'll just go ahead and click it again. But we're going to go ahead and leave it on and then schedule on the top. And then just like that, it has been scheduled. But if you change your mind, you want to change the date that you want to schedule it, go ahead and press the three dots on the top and then the reschedule button right here. And as you can see right there, you could reschedule it to maybe the day after I want to do it, maybe, or the day before at the same time. Just like that, set time, and it'll change instantly.